I am back again to give you another update on PI Network. We just received an information that Unverified PI Network wallet will be burned before March 14th. But why did the PI core team say this? Well, we talk about it in this video. Before I move further, please support my channel to grow by hitting the like and subscribe button. Thank you, and let's move on. A lot of us have been having issues with our KYC verification. A lot of people have not received their KYC invitation, and we are getting closer to March 14th. What was started is that all unverified PI network will be burned and move out of circulation, meaning that your coin will not be migrated to the main net. As you know, if your coin is not in the main net, is useless. But why did they say this? Well, keep watching this video as we are going to look into it. Do you know that the KYC, which is the Know Your Customer, is very important to all PI network pioneers? This will help to verify each and every PI network pioneers in the ecosystem. This will also help to prevent fake account. So if you are mining PI network and you have not revived KYC invitation, I will encourage you to keep on mining the PI network before March 14th, as KYC invitation will be sent to only active miners soon. And also, if you revived KYC invitation and you have not verified your account, you should do so immediately so you won't lose your hard-earned Pi coin. We also see some people exchanging their Pi coins for money. You have to be careful so you won't fall into the hands of scammers. As a lot of scammers now are after Pi network, make sure that when you are trading your Pi coins, you meet the merchant in person, not online. If you go to my comment section, you can find a lot of scammers there. You have to be careful. And also, I will never ask you for your WhatsApp number. If there is any way you want to contact me if you need my help, is only through the email and Telegram in the description of this video. Please play safe. Let's move on. The majority of your queries about the PIKYC Pi migration and the cryptography are also addressed in this video. Please pay close attention to this video because I may address problems that are important to you if I don't address your problems at the end of the video. Feel free to leave them in the comments page, and I'll react and discuss them in this video, as I will respond to some of the PI Network community's questions about challenges and roadblocks related to the KYC procedure and Pi coin migration. Other frequently asked inquiries include Pi KYC issues and problems, Pi coin migration, how to handle them, and quick solutions. If you haven't received a KYC message, pioneers and information on your Pi mining account's homepage. In particular, if you want to mine instead, open the PI browser and click the KYC symbol to see if a notification comes. Do this frequently, both during the day and at night, and make sure your ID is prepared and genuine. Additionally, check that the area is well lit with light, because you'll be recording your paper and taking a selfie there. Since the core team is working hard to speed up the KYC process, and since KYC is the only way to move to mainnet and spend your Pi, please be patient until it shows. Some people have lately received the KYC notification using the Pi browser. There is no manual selection process or waiting list, so be patient and wait for more openings. However, please do not contact the core team with your ID card. Attempt not to panic. One of the most frequently asked questions about KYC is what happens to people who do not pass KYC. Will their account be immediately removed? PIKYC notifications arrive at random, and your opportunity to complete out KYC will undoubtedly open soon. PIKYC's failure could happen. For a number of reasons, different causes could have various effects, such as another chance to file an appeal for a KYC application or a permanent denial. Second, how will users be notified whether they have successfully completed the KYC exam? Pi accounts won't be immediately deleted, and any resubmission and appeal cases will likely be given a time restriction that will be disclosed later. Pioneers will be alerted when KYC is generally available and may check their KYC status through the PIKYC app using the PI browser, which is where they submitted the paperwork. Yes, they will be informed by both the announcement and the members of their referral team. Pioneers will have the ability to remind them. To remind the crew and security to perform KYC, when will Pioneers' Pi money be transferred to their mainnet wallet after they have filed their KYC paperwork? The core team will also send out alerts reminding users to submit their KYC paperwork. It will need to go through a validator verification process that involves identity identification in compliance with the PI Network Works Terms of Service. Pioneers' Pi balances will be transferred to their primary wallets if they successfully complete this verification process. When will pioneers receive approval after submitting their KYC documentation? First to be processed were pioneers who took part in the test KYC app using the PI browser. The experimental KYC was created when the human verification capability was implemented to help improve the KYC software itself. After validators have verified applications in the KYC app, the progress of the apply will depend on the availability of reliable validators in each nation. This could take anywhere from a few days to many weeks, which is why it is crucial for the community to encourage a sufficient number of validators to enter the workforce and an experimental KYC. While using cutting-edge technology, PIKYC findings will depend on whether your name matches your PI account in addition to identity verification. Automation to handle responsibilities like image processing and fake ID detection is a collaborative activity. At its core, human verification is done by well-vetted, authorized individuals who evaluate the redacted data of other users and are chosen from the PI community itself. The PIKYC system currently has a strong, self-sustaining validation workforce. In 2023, as nations and regions which account for about 90% of the world population, the network's number of human validators is always growing, and it just stopped. Daily active validators verifying KYC applications all across the globe. These KYC validators can now validate members' identities at a pace of more than 900 per day. Validators are compensated with PI. I've got to go now. Before I go any further, I want to emphasize that you must be invited to apply for KYC and be approved before you can migrate your Mind Pi to the mainnet. This goes for those who have not done any of it at all, as well as those who are new to the Pi network. Don't worry, I'll let you in on a secret about the time frame for when invites are given to you and when they expire. Perhaps that's why you missed it and haven't completed your KYC. I won't be demonstrating how to perform your KYC. I already have a video that discusses that. You can access it in my channel. To become a pioneer, download the PI app from either the Google Play Store for Android users or the Apple Store for iPhone users. After the download, carefully go through the process to install and register to mine. Make sure that all the credentials that you fill out while registering match any government agency. I will also be sharing with you the precise time. When you can expect the invitation to do KYC, I advise you to take the security circle seriously because it is an essential component of the Pi network project. Securing your Mind Pi is extremely important and shouldn't be taken for granted. Once you have invited at least 5 people, you can then establish a security circle. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that you shouldn't invite more people. I'm done for now, so thank you very much for watching. A special thanks to the pioneers. If you subscribe, it really helps, and I can't tell you how much I appreciate it. See you in the next video. Take care.